What is the impact of irrigation on farm water rights laws? Have you ever wondered how irrigation practices affect the laws surrounding water rights for farms? This topic is essential for anyone involved in agricultural real estate or farmland investment. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Irrigation plays a significant role in shaping farm water rights laws. These laws dictate how water is allocated, used, and conserved, especially in areas where water is limited. Understanding the legal frameworks is crucial for farmers and investors alike. Farm water rights generally fall under two main legal doctrines. The first is the prior appropriation doctrine, which is common in many Western states. This doctrine operates on the principle of first in time, first in right. The first person to divert water for beneficial use, like irrigation, has priority over later users. The second doctrine is riparian rights, more common in eastern states. This grants water use rights to landowners whose property is adjacent to a water source. Under this system, irrigation must be reasonable and should not interfere with other users' rights. Now, how does irrigation impact these laws? One key principle is the use it or lose it rule. Many water rights, especially under prior appropriation, requiring that water be actively used for beneficial purposes. If a farmer reduces or stops irrigation, they risk losing their water rights. This creates an incentive for farmers to maintain or even increase their irrigation efforts. Another factor is efficiency improvements in irrigation technology. New systems, like sprinkler and micro-irrigation, help farmers use water more efficiently. However, legal doctrines often treat any water saved as still tied to the original diversion amount. This means that while farmers can reduce water consumption, it does not necessarily lower their water rights. Water rights are typically linked to specific land parcels and fixed points of diversion, such as a well or ditch. If irrigation practices change, such as where or how water is diverted, farmers may need legal approval or permits. This ensures that water use remains consistent with the original rights and protects other users. Holding a water right for irrigation also provides legal protection and priority over later users. In times of water shortage, delivery is curtailed based on priority dates. This aspect is vital for farmland investment, as it secures access to water necessary for crop production and land value. For investors and landowners, assessing the quality and security of irrigation water rights is crucial. These rights are a key asset that influences land productivity and market value. Improvements in irrigation infrastructure may attract government funding aimed at water conservation. However, it is essential to understand that efficiency gains may not always increase water rights. Changes in crop types or irrigation methods may require legal adjustments to water rights. This could involve applying for a change in the purpose of use to remain compliant and protect water access. Understanding local water law frameworks, whether prior appropriation or riparian, is essential for managing risk and ensuring a sustainable water supply on farmland. Compliance with water rights regulations protects investments from legal disputes and ensures the long-term viability of agricultural operations. In essence, irrigation directly impacts farm water rights laws by defining how water is used, conserved, and legally protected. For anyone involved in farmland investment or agricultural real estate, grasping these laws and their relationship with irrigation practices is vital for making informed decisions and managing water-related risks effectively.